I'm Taylor Basso with Sun Country Marine, and I'm here at our San Diego On the Water showroom to walk you through the all-new Riviera 4600 Sport Yacht. The most compact boat in Riviera's Sport Yacht range delivers on the quality heritage of this Australian brand with its unparalleled build quality and rich luxury appointments. Riviera built the 4600 in place of the since-retired 4800 Sport Yacht, and with it comes a massive improvement to the layout, functionality, and maximization of space on board. You can see here from the hydraulic swim platform that the 4600 incorporates an asymmetrical layout with the port stairs leading up to the gunnel with direct access to the bow, while the starboard stairs leads up to the rear cockpit as well as the starboard gunnel with access to the bow. But before we make our way up, let's appreciate the hydraulic garage door, which opens to reveal the first of many examples of how this boat truly prioritizes storage space. The garage offers space for storing lines, fenders, safety gear, paddle boards, sea bobs, fishing gear, whatever your perfect boat day consists of, all tucked neatly away and easily accessible with the push of a button. Now let's head up the port stairs towards the bow lounge, where there's a plush upholstered sunpad for three with adjustable headrests and the quality upholstery and dual diamond stitch detail you come to expect from a Riviera. At the bow, we've got the windlass with a portside locker neatly storing all your anchoring controls, as well as the salt and freshwater access to spray down any debris the anchor might pull up into the boat. And adjacent is a massive storage locker for the chain, as well as any loose lines or fenders. As we make our way down the starboard gunnel, appreciate how massive and prominent the windshield is on this boat, giving incredible visibility for the captain and sweeping views for passengers on board. As we enter the aft cockpit, we can fully realize how the asymmetrical design benefits the entertaining space on board, giving us this massive plush wraparound L seating on the port side and transom, surrounding the high gloss expandable teak and holly pedestal table, nicely finished with 6 beverage holders in the center. Across from the dining table, we have the outdoor galley with open counter space, a drink fridge and ice maker, as well as stowed electric grill and sink. As we go to enter the interior galley, this incredibly sturdy stainless steel door frame locks into place, and we have the availability to lift this aft window on a gas-assisted strut and completely connect the interior and exterior gathering spaces on board, while opening up the serving space of the main galley area up to the outdoor area. Within the galley, the first thing you notice is the clean lines of the white waterfall Corian countertops covering the U-shaped galley. The counters are contrasted by the high-gloss American walnut cabinetry, a signature of the Riviera brand. The galley is equipped with a convection microwave, 2-burner electric stove, and stainless steel sink, and, as I mentioned before, mind-blowing amounts of storage, both in the galley and wet bar area, with open space as well as designated built-ins stocked with branded Riviera stemware. The wet bar is also home to the sizable fridge and freezer and provides additional prep and serving space on the matching Corian countertop. Moving forward, notice how the massive windshield, surrounding glass, and 6-foot 11-inch ceilings really open this space up. Forward, a hydraulic lift reveals a flat-screen TV for when you want to watch the game or cozy up for a film, and tucks neatly away when you prefer to be present and connected. A major highlight of these boats for many Riviera owners is the helm station. The Recaro leather helm chairs with suede diamond stitch accents, carbon fiber dash, dual Garmin monitors, and C-Zone ship control displays are just a few of the many controls you've got perfectly arranged at your fingertips for an easy and exhilarating operating experience. Below deck, the 4600 Sport Yacht offers a 3-stateroom, 2-head layout. The master suite is situated aft, spanning the full beam of the boat, with soft textures from the carpet to the bedding and even along the walls, contrasted again by the high-gloss classic cabinetry, with plenty of storage on both sides for his and her, a flat-screen TV, and a massive hanging closet. In the master head, again, classic meets modern with the floor-to-ceiling stone shower, stainless fixtures, and clean lines. As we exit the master, there is a twin bunk room across the hall, and forward we have a VIP suite with, again, so much storage, 2 hanging closets, overhead cabinets, and huge drawers built into the bed. The VIP has its own entrance to the dayhead with generous space, another full stone shower, and luxury appointments. And to really hammer the storage point home, just look at these shelves and drawers below deck. I am telling you, lack of space will not be a problem on this boat. If anything, I'd bet you struggle to fill all the spaces created for you to neatly store essentials on board. With that, we've completed our tour of the Riviera 4600 Sport Yacht. I hope you like what you've seen here today. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below or head to our website at scmg.com to check out available inventory. Again, my name is Taylor Basso with Sun Country Marine Group. We're the exclusive West Coast dealer for Riviera Yachts, Prestige Yachts, Sunseeker, Sea Ray, Boston Whaler, Bennington, Cobalt, and Nautique. So if there's any specific model within those brands that you'd like to see, leave that in the comments below as well, and I'd be happy to walk you through it. Thanks for tuning in.